No, 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 no. Don't fall. Oh. In this video, we're gonna talk about Robit R3000 robot vacuum. I'm gonna show you what's in the box and what you can expect from this robot. This robot is actually equipped with 2600 milliamp battery, so the cleaning time is 120 minutes, 2 hours, and the charging will take up to 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. It does have 6 cleaning modes: automatic, edge mode, fixed point mode, single room mode, schedule mode, and maximum mode. It does have the intelligence protection whole vacuum robot cleaner body equipped with several highly sensitive anti-collision and anti-fall sensors to effectively avoid falling and collision. And it will go to the charging station by itself, so it's never gonna run out of battery. Okay, let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside, and then we're gonna test this vacuum robot. Okay, we have some manuals, I assume. Yeah, some manuals here. The controller to control the robot. We have the power adapter for the charging station. Filters here, I'm not sure if it's extra or something that I need to install. The charging station, you plug it to the wall and it will charge the robot. It's pretty big and heavy. We have some brushes in the box as well, and one cleaning tool to clean the robot. Here we go. This is the robot. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. I like the design. I mean, most of them look the same, but I like the design on this one. And see, underneath we have the brushes and the wheel, just actually adjustable probably for the height that the robots need. I'm assuming some sensors here, front wheel for rotation, and the on and off button underneath. Let's install the brushes. Is there any way to install them properly, or just push them in? Yeah. 2. So there's only 2 brushes and the other 2 is extra. No, 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 no. Don't fall. Oh, wait, stop. Oh my god. So it doesn't actually fall from the table, and that's good. So it really detects the edge of the table. That was a good test. So let's just put the batteries inside the controller and see. Okay, I have the robot here and I put the charging cable right there and charging station. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the robot, and I have some obstacles here to see how does the robot is gonna perform cleaning this area. Okay, let's go ahead and just power it on. I'm gonna use the auto mode. Right now you recognize the edges real good. Just goes to edge to edge. I guess the more it cleans, it just gets better and better. It handles the obstacles pretty well as well. Goes above the edge pretty nice and smooth. Oh, just took some. Yes, now it goes back and forth to clean the whole area. Going on the carpet. It's gonna hit the furniture again. So the places that the robot hit before, it's not gonna hit again. I guess it's smart in that sense. Under the TV stand. Fits pretty well under the TV stand. Now it's playing with the ball. We should probably remove these objects because it's just mistaken them for something else. I think now it's looking for the charging station. Charging station is over there. I don't know how it's gonna find it, but let's see. Is it looking, or it doesn't know it's already there? Apparently it knows. They're communicating. Okay, cool. Now it's charging. And now let's take a look at what did it do in terms of the suction. Like that. Yeah, just the filter. I'm just managed to open it by one hand. As you can see, for like half an hour, it just collected so many hair from the cats we have, and usually runs for 2 hours. And I assume it will clear the most of the things around. And so far, it works pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any question about this robot, and I'll try to answer it in the comments section. See you guys in the next video.